Bowen, listen to me. These peels are treasure.
Are onion peels just trash? Absolutely not. Hidden within these golden layers is a powerful ingredient that strengthens our vascular health. Hello, I'm datacheftigo. Based on FDA data, I'm here to show you scientifically proven ways to protect and maintain your health. The secret is quercetin, a potent antioxidant. Surprisingly, onion peels contain a concentration of quercetin up to 30 times higher than the flesh itself. This quercetin helps purify blood vessels by removing waste and plays a vital role in building a robust immune system. Onions are universally recognized as a safe and healthy staple food. To get the maximum benefits, using the outer peel is key. Ready to make it yourself? All you need are the cleaned peels from about 3 onions and 1 liter of water. Koreans have a long-standing tradition and wisdom of drinking this tea to improve circulation and maintain overall health. Now bring this healthy habit into your own kitchen. Drinking just 1 or 2 cups a day consistently is the perfect amount.
Chef Tigo highly recommends this.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Stay healthy, everyone.